YouTube banner, you need Adobe Sketch. Well, that's what I use. And here I'm just using the watercolour flat brush, and then I'm just testing it out to see if the thickness is okay. You then want to choose a colour. I chose this bright blue colour because I liked it. I then got an image off Google and I typed in YouTube templates to get this image, and you just want to go in the logo safe area. So you don't really have to take much time with this. You just simply just move your finger up and down. That's what I done, and create a line pattern I did, but you can do it in any other pattern you would like. So I kept inside the box because I want it to look good on my mobile, but if you want to go out of it, it's fine. I then moved on to an editing app called Phonto, I believe, and I then create a plain image, a white background just to use, and this is where I get the font that I apply to my banner for. So I just type my name in, so Justfanart, and then I just put it in the middle, and the style I use is Jenna Sue, and then you just want to position it in the middle and then just save it to your photos, and then go back to Adobe Sketch. You then want to add an image layer and insert the photo that you just saved, and then I like to resize it so it fits right in the middle. I then turn the opacity down so you can kind of see the background, and then you can put it in the right position that you want to. So you then want to just move the canvas to the right position, and then you just want to trace around the letters. I picked white because I thought white and blue go. And for this I used the marker brush, and then I think it was on the right size already, but you can change the size by going to the 3 lines at the bottom. There you go, I've shown you here, but everything was okay. So I decided to do this video because I thought it might help some of you if you're starting your YouTube channel and you want to create a banner. And if any of you got Instagram, comment your username down below and I will check it out. So I hope you like this video. I don't know if it's helpful or it's really boring, but have a nice day.